Cool. Nice.
Look, Mike, I got you this thingy.
The little squishy one.
Yep,
Yeah.
so your keys don't sink.
Yep, they're like hot dog.
Yeah, I have one right here on the this one.
So now you guys can match twinsies.
Yep, I have one too, Mike, so we can match now.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, man. Walk safe. We'll see you soon.
Have a good hike, Mike.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Miracle Mike. I started Handicap Life because I feel I have a way, hopefully, to help aspire others who has disabilities like myself. Who wants to go out and live their life to a much more fulfilling way. Hopefully, my journey in life will be uplifting, inspiration to you and those who are looking for a way in life to find happiness and enjoyment with the challenges of being disabled.
I want to try a piece. Can I try one?
Yeah. Garlic and whatnot.
Nom nom.
Oh, that's fucking good. Wow.
Hey!
Want a bite? Get some of that meat in there.
Ooh, that's good, Mike.
I like that level of burn.
We like the burnt sausage.
Yep.
Ooh, that's good. What kind of sausage is that, Mike? Oh my god, I thought that was a dog. Merry Christmas!
Yeah.
You're so
Thank
happy.
you.
Oh, that was sweet.
Oh yeah.
Here. Wow.
Lucky man.
I understand why you couldn't hear me.
The little Shit Creek survivor.
What's up?
A bug just flew in here.
Oh man.
Sorry.
Shit Creek
What's up?
survivor.
Yeah.
Good
Good job, Mike.
Yeah.
All right, dude.
Cold coats.
Nice.
Whoop. The heck yeah. And then tell me. Bam.
Yes, sir. Woo! It looks good, Mike. Sturdy, I love that one, dude.
It's so
Yeah.
cute.
All right.
Handicap. Wife.
Bathroom idea.
Try it out or whatever. Hey, help.
Bring it.
Yeah, sure. So this one here, look at this. And then flush. That's it.
Standing still, if your body matches what your eyes can do, you probably move right.
Live stream TV, whoop.
Hey!
Shut up. This whole thing.
Hey!
Hey! Ah! Hey!
I was like, no!
Blowgun. Red cracker snaps. Fire in a hole.
Look at this log,
Yeah, I like that.
but it's stuck to this tree.
Yeah, right.
It is.
Yeah. There we go. Oh man, look at that.
Oh, what is it? What is it?
Look at it.
Oh, wow. Termites, huh?
Yep. Oh, dead too. Oh. Help me, help me. Wow.
Pretty fucking cool, huh, Mike?
Yeah.
It's fine staying across.
So look at all this stuff I'm about to add to it. I just broke this tree branch off the tree.
What's this?
Mike, here's some for you to add. I'll try to find some more and I'll pass them up.
Oh man.
That's it. I broke that one.
One more.
Big one.
There we go.
There you go. There's another one. What else can I read up there?
Oh, perfect. Look, that one has like a little hook thing on it too.
Camp Life Galleria. Twisted Tea, original. That's how you drink it. Alright, this bad boy here. Cut the top off. We don't need that. And you'll see why I'm doing this later. Whatever. I'm happy with this. What do you
Not
guys
you,
think?
me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yep, perfect. Okay, that's fine.
A little bit forward. Now bring it down.
Oh, there we go. There we go. There, hold up, hold up.
Oh, sorry, Michael. I do that too.
Chicken is burnt, but soft and tender. Nice.
Good job. Okay, seasoning again. You know. Yep. Oh yeah. Nice.
Alright.
Okay. Oh man. Picture this one here, please. Let's try it out. Oh yeah. I like it. I'll repeat, you know. Hi, I'm Miracle Mike. Handicap Life. See you next time.
Oh yeah. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you.